Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Tokdis Smartband 2.2. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very minimalist. You just have a symbol of a watch on the top. There's nothing on all the sides. And on the underside, you have a little QR code which you can scan to register your product for warranty. Aside from that, if you do wish to reach out to Tokdis or the brand for any support, customer care, then the contact information as well as the email ID is over there. When we open up the box, we can find the smart band right in front of us. First is the user manual. Always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate your device. And after that, you have the charging module. You basically have a couple of golden prongs on the inside and a USB Type-A interface on the other end. All you need to do is remove the smartwatch module, plug it into the charging module, and then you can use any Type-A interface. You can use your smartphone charger or just any wall unit that has a USB Type-A output, and you can charge the device. And finally, you've got the smart band. It's got a very classic interface. As you can see, there's only one button. There is no slide mechanism. So interacting with the menu is all about long pressing and short pressing the bottom button. It's got a black colored silicone strap. Again, this should fit a lot of different wrist sizes. And at the bottom, you can see the sensor module, which will be used for health tracking. So that's it for the unboxing of the Tokdis Smartband 2.2. Thank you for watching.